always look for extra hydration in my skincare prep before makeup, and I love an extra brightening glow. For me, that's why I want to try this Milk Cloud Primer. This was sent to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest review. For me, the texture is so unique. I've never seen this foaming texture for a primer, that it's really super unique. It goes onto the face super well, that it really kind of sinks into the skin. Even though it has a foaming texture, it is kind of watery when it goes, when the foam dissipates. And they're really easy to spread. And as you can see, it's really giving me a nice glow to the skin while creating a great base for makeup. I found that it goes on super well. It works well with almost all of my makeup foundations that I've tried. So this has things too that I love. It has a brightening glow, which is turmeric and saffron extract. It boosts hydration with apricot extract, and even your skin tone with Wazuyu extract. For me, it's just been working out super well. I love it.